Hi there, and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian, and today we're going to look at this HY2178. So, 2178, it's a 20-volt cordless impact wrench. So I'm going to open the box, get the machine out, and you can see exactly what you get. So the first thing you'll notice, it does come in a really nice storage and carry case. So first of all, in the case, we have the tool itself. I'll just remove it from its plastic bag. And there we are. That's the half-inch drive, 20-volt, cordless impact wrench. I'll just pull the user manual out. Also in the box here, you'll find the 20-volt battery that goes with it. So it's a 4 amp hour battery, this one. And of course, what uses a battery? Again, we also have the battery charger. So first thing we're going to do is put the battery on charge, and then it'll be ready for use. So it's a rapid charger, this. Let's just take the protective sheath off the plug. So it plugs into any domestic 13 amp outlet. And to fit the battery, we can plug it in, switch it on, and to fit the battery, it's a simple slide and click. Push down, and it's solid in the bottom. There's no actual click when you put it in these ones. And to remove the battery, pull it back out of the slide. And you have all the indicates on the front to tell you what state the battery's in. So when the battery's supplied to you, it's normally got some charge in. There's a little button here and 3 LEDs. If I push the button, you can see 2 bars. That'll be enough for me to demonstrate. So with our battery charge, you'll see that it does come with a belt clip as well. It simply fits in the groove here on the side and into place. And it does come with a small screw, and with a crosshead screwdriver, we can screw the screw into this hole to attach the clip. Now, of course, depending on which side you want to have it, it will also fit on the other side as well. So it's left or right-handed, depending on whether you're left or right-handed. So to fit the battery, it does have this little blue tab here, which is the release mechanism. So to fit it in from the front, push back, and it's locked in place. To remove the battery, push the tab down, simply slide it back out again for charging. So forward and reverse action, we have the trigger here, forward one way, reverse the other. So with it pushed in from the right hand side is the forward direction for tightening bolts. If I push it the other way, anti-clockwise, for using the impact gun to remove bolts or nuts. You'll also see whenever you pull the trigger, there is a light on the bottom, so that you've got light in hard to see areas when it's running. After a few seconds, the light will go out. So I've actually got one of these on my own workbench here at Hyundai. I've been using it for 6 months or so now, pretty much every day, and I find it absolutely invaluable, and it saves me so much time, and actually a good piece of equipment. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and I hope I've made an impact.